Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Rolly Robert Campbell.
I am Christopher Columbus. Just call me Chris. I am he who did miss the land, India. I thought I'd discover that which was never. How clever of me to see the land beyond. I came to tame and claim in the name of Spain. I am Chris. Don't diss my history. I inspired Hawkins, Livingston, Mussolini, Botha, Bush. I exterminated, perpetuated hatred against red men, yellow men. With black men I make no friend. I attack Arawak, cut off their head, wrote instead that the Caribs ate them like bread. I never told you this before, but my chief navigator was a Moor. You know the Moors, they discovered Spain. Those blacks who came from the African terrain. The idea that the world was new, I got from these same blacks in some little Spanish town. Now you may ask, what was blacks doing there? But they ruled us for over 700 years. They made a great mistake then. Instead of enslaving us, they made us their friend. Some survived, stayed alive, fought the invasion, European division, English aggression, the fight between Europe and European expansion. I wrote your history for you, did not tell you true. Not all black men came as slaves. Listen, you will know the truth in the waves that brought the ships. Lips lie to keep intact oppression of black skin, a sin, a myth. I am Chris. The church perched on the opportunity to spread the religion of the dead. Through misconception, the assumption that this world was new. The wind blew us to save the earth from beasts like men. Friend, I am not. Blot out the spot that claim they are men like us. I am Christopher Columbus. I gave Europe power over all the earth. 500 years of your blood, sweat and tears. Now you celebrate, recreate your debt. Let the glasses touch with the blood of your fathers and mothers. Give a toast, toast my arrival. You're dying, my survival. The land is still mine, the Pope is still the divine. Yes, drink your own blood, call it wine. Nothing in the pages of my history will blot out your misery. You shall celebrate my victory. Your children praise me. I am their only history. I am Christopher Columbus. I died, but you made me live. Give me the sea once more. Let me discover you again. The stain, my father's son's rule. Fool, you celebrate my coming. I will not go, not from your mind. Restore me for all to see. Keepers of life, shepherd of my people, lead them to the altars of lies. Your ancestors' cries will not be heard. Word after word, pages of history written. The victims are once more bitten. 1492 to you, the beginning of Western democracy. 1492 to me, the beginning of white supremacy.